guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's make delicious fried rice with stewed turkey. I'm excited, so let's get into it. My washed turkey. Now I'm trying to season my washed turkey. I need to season it very well so to bang. Now. Yeah, then I just so I'm getting my spices ready. I have rosemary. I have my garam masala, the dried rosemary, I have my curry, I have my oregano, I have my mixed herb. Then this is adobo seasoning too. So firstly I'm going in with my adobo seasoning. Like it's the heat. You know what I mean? So my knorr seasoning too is going in. I don't want to overpower it. And I'm using a little bit of salt. I don't really use much salt, so just 2 cubes and 1 more. That's not chicken and the normal no cubes. I'm going in with it. Then I'm going in just 1 cube of my chicken. I like to spice things up. So on to the next. Had remaining spices that are left little by little, as you can see. Now it is all done. I left it to cook for a while. Then I placed them into the rack in the oven. I don't want to fry, if it's fun. So here are the vegetables we are going to be using for the fried rice. So I pick out all my turkey. Take them all out. Then the thing that I need is the water. So I get my rice. I washed it thoroughly so the water is very clear. Then I go in straight. Sometimes I do the parboiling method, but today I'm just doing the direct method without the parboiling of the rice. So here I'm washing the rice, trying to make enough starch go off, like make it clear. So while I'm doing that, my turkey is in the oven grilling because I don't want to fry it. So this is the last round of the wash for the rice that I'm doing. So you can see that it's better than when we started. Yeah, so we're all done. I pour my rice into my frying pan. You can see, yes, I'm going to fry it because it's fried rice. I'm frying that in the frying pan, stirring it very well. Don't mind my spoon. I love this because it's convenient. It just broke that morning. So I keep frying. That's the real deal. It is fried. So after I'm done frying, you can see I keep frying and I don't stop stirring it. So I'm done frying. I'm transferring it into my seasoned meat stock. So it's all transferred in. You can see. So I don't need to add too much of anything, So I'm going in with my curry. Then I go in with mixed herb. With a little bit of Maggi, and also no. So once I'm done with that, I stir and allow it to steam. I cover it. Yeah, I allow it to steam. So all that is going on. I'm see what I'm doing? Yes, I'm trying to fry my vegetables. I'm pouring all my vegetables. This is my frankfurt, turkey and chicken sausage. So I fry. Keep frying. I didn't want to add the remaining vegetables because I don't want it to get soggy. So I'm going with my bell peppers and the fresh pepper. I only use one. That pepper is very pepper. So if there's a word like very pepper, but it's so hot. So I cook it on low heat. I don't want high heat on this thing. Look at the vegetables. I go in with it straight, frozen directly into it. So I stir it all. Then I season this mix also. I season it curry thyme and the likes. I'll put my seasoning and the caption also. Just bit by bit. I don't want to overpower it. And you know, the key to fried rice is seasoning and flavor. So now the rice is done. I'm mixing my veggies